control settings page is where you define how the EMS interacts with each power source and breaker on your site. Each section represents a specific control functionality that can be configured based on your system architecture. Please note that settings can only be changed when the EMS is stopped. The islanding and forming unit control defines how the EMS manages power source transitions during grid loss or recovery. It determines which device will act as the forming unit, the grid, the BESS, or the genset, and how the system automatically switches between them to maintain stable operation. Before using this function, make sure that the grid breaker and grid meter are configured. Otherwise, the interface will remain inactive. By default, the grid acts as the forming unit under normal conditions, synchronizing all connected assets. If the grid fails, the EMS isolates the site and can automatically switch to an internal source. BESS as forming unit, the battery becomes the reference source when its state of charge is above the defined threshold, for example, 30%. The EMS performs an automatic Blackstart by opening the grid breaker and activating the BESS to restore site power. Genset as forming unit, if the battery's SOC drops below the threshold, the EMS can automatically start the generator and transfer the forming role to the genset, ensuring continuous operation. When the grid returns, the EMS can automatically reconnect to the utility if the Activate Automatic Grid Reconnection option is enabled, resynchronizing the site smoothly with the external network. That's how you configure islanding and forming unit control in eConf to ensure automatic source coordination and uninterrupted power supply during grid loss. In the next episode, we'll explore load breaker control, managing deferrable loads and energy priority, where you'll see how the EMS dynamically connects and disconnects loads based on power and battery conditions.